Alright, y'all, so we got my stunt cage here from BSA Auto out in. About to unbox it right now. Only took like a week for them to ship it, so shout out them. And this crazy ass packaging. Cotton in here. Packs that bitch up nice, bro. Oh yeah, they ain't playing around. Them boys in Poland. Woo. Oh man. They ain't even put the peanuts in here, bro. They just put literally straight cotton in this bitch, bro. I got them in gold to match the handlebars. Oh, that looks so gas. Yeah, shout out them boys over at BSA Auto and they definitely got my shit right with the stunt cage. They're the only company who makes the stunt cage for my FZ6, so definitely plug. Can't wait for the stunt videos now, G. Now I can really go full send and just, if I fall off the bike, fuck it. So this is my first bar right here. We got that one. Came with all the hardware too. And there you got it. Damn, snap. Yeah, they went crazy. These my bars right here. We got the stunt cage. Now we can go install these on the FZ6. So we done made it back to the crib. We got the stunt cage right here. I'm ready to install it. I went and got some foam padding and just threw that on there. That way it don't scratch the frame when we mount it. So just to be safe, I did that on this one too. Same thing. Yeah, we ready to install this cage now. It's stupid simple. So this bolt, you need to take this out. This is my old slider. So this is just the motor mount bolt. I'll show you on the other side. So it'll look like that. The slider fell out on this side. So I'm gonna take this one bolt out. You don't gotta take nothing out of here. This is actually a bolt with a hole all the way through. So the hardware we got comes with a full rod. And we're gonna basically just put the rod all the way through there. And that's how we're gonna tighten both of them at the same time and then take this one off. So y'all see these bad boys. Look at the gold on gold. I can't wait to see that shit, man. That shit better look fire. I'm telling y'all, these stunt videos gonna go crazy soon, bro. Now that I got the cage, I can really just try to go full send with it and just try to hit 12 o'clock. Now that I got the cage, I'm really not worried about dropping the bike now. My only worries was like the engine cracking or something, or because you see the previous owner already dropped the bike. I bought the bike when it was crashed. If I got photos or videos, I'll show y'all, but the freaking gas tank, this is a new gas tank, but the gas tank was crushed. It's got like, this bike's got new handlebars, new front end, new back pieces. This is basically a brand new bike, honestly. Yeah, if I got pictures, I'll definitely throw them right here, right now.
Bro, this thing is badass, bro.
This is actually the box of all of the stock parts that I got. I didn't have a YouTube at the time, but I probably put that header on like 2 weeks ago, bro. Like 3 weeks ago. So I just changed the header out, but of course I didn't record that. Because before, the exhaust used to come out the back here. It's just open back there, nothing there. The exhaust on this bike, this is a 07 Yamaha FZ6. I took the headers off of a 03 Yamaha R6. For the people that don't know, FZ6, this is a Yamaha R6 motor. This is a 03 Yamaha R6 motor. So you could basically take the 03 headers and you can make your bike a side exit instead of out the back. I don't want my exhaust out the back. I just don't like it. I got the headers on eBay for like 60 bucks. Came with this loud ass voodoo pipe with no baffles in it. Fucking ghetto as fuck pipe inside of it. So we found this Two Brothers one on a Facebook Marketplace, and I threw that shit on. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking, y'all, because low-key, I want to put this crash cage on. I ain't gonna lie. I'm ready to see this shit on my bike. So the first thing I need to do is take this bolt out, because I can't get inside the hole, so I'm gonna unscrew that right now. you see, now we can get the bolt through now. Put that on. Here was 3 parts I was talking about for the bike. So you got this long rod that's gonna go through the bolt here for the swing arm. So, and then you got one of your bolts for the slider, which one of them looks to be shorter, so we need to find out which one that is. All right, so I had to go look at the instructions of this, and I actually had to like slightly drill this out. It's because the end of this inner diameter is like just a tad bit smaller than the other side, so it will push like damn near like right here, right to the edge, and then it wouldn't go no more. So I just literally had to drill just a little bit right here. Now that I got that, now I can put the bolt through. So I'm gonna do that right now. We're gonna hand tighten everything until we get the other side on. So once we get the other side on, everything will be in position. Then we can tighten everything. I'm gonna put that through. Damn, that shit look good. Look at that shit. Oh, I'm ready to throw the other side on right now, man. We about to do this shit right now. I made a mistake. So if you can see from how thick the frame is, the longer bolt needs to go through the left side of the motor instead of the right. I made that mistake. You can see how much smaller this is. So definitely only gonna need the short one does go on the right side. So we're gonna fix that right now and then show you guys the finished product. Gotta tighten all of this down, and then I'm gonna put the little stoppers in. Then we really gonna show y'all how the finishing look. So let's get to it. Cheers. See what we got going on here, bro. So we got the cage on. Oh, that bitch looks so good, bro. I'm ready to go to the stunt lot now. Let me tell y'all, bro. The stunt videos about to go even crazier now, bro.
Oh, say less.
I ain't even post no stunt video. This probably gonna be my first actual stunt vlog, so we definitely got more coming, G. I got more shit coming. I'm still trying to pick up the motorcycle lift so I can really tear this shit down, because this winter I want to do a lot of shit to this bike. So bro, we doing everything, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. I was gonna stop the video right there, but I thought about it. I'm like, I might as well just start on the stunt build right now. So we're gonna take this whole rear fairing off, because I just want to have it like just a naked bike. Like if y'all know the Yamaha FZ6. We better do that shit right now. I'm about to prop y'all up and let's do that shit. It's held in by like little rubber tabs, so it's not really much to it. I could really care less for the fairings, so. All right, so that's free now. Put that out the way. Now we need to tuck these, so hopefully I can get them to just tuck in there. That way I don't have to take off the whole fairing. I don't want to take it off, so. But this set, we got a lot of shit to relocate, so. Most of this shit I'm probably gonna put, oh, perfect, look at that. Ah, just found that shit. Well, yeah, so I'm gonna put all of this shit in there and call it a day. Got the right side all in. Ended up just keeping the same harness, going the same way. Put a zip tie right here. Try to get it as unseeable as possible because I'll be putting LEDs in here soon. So now we got to tackle the tough side, so which is all of this shit. So we better get to that shit right now. Finished the other side of the FZ6. So we ended up routing all of the wire in here, just the 2 plugs here, and then we ended up routing this big box back here. So, but as you can see, it's all naked now. I'm gonna just leave it like that for right now, so it should be straight. I'm not gonna do anything other than try to mount that tail light. I'm gonna put the seat back on, but so what I'm gonna do with the tail light is I'm basically just gonna mount it right here. I'm gonna get something to mark these holes, paste it right there, then drill a hose and put a screw through it just for right now so we can mount that. Look who finally showed up. My girl came to keep me company while I work on the bike. We just finished up the last part, putting the brake light on the seat. That's how it is right now. Tail light all mounted. That shit ain't going nowhere. Just did drill them 2 holes through the frame and it's solid. Next clip probably finna be me at the stunt lot, testing it out, really just trying to find balance point. That's all I'm focusing on right now with my stunts, is trying to find balance point. I could pop it up in the air. It's just me trying to find that sweet spot. I could do it on a bicycle all day, but on a motorcycle, it's a whole different story. So yeah, next clip, you're probably gonna see me at the stunt lot. So y'all gonna see me there already. So let's go. The last one was the best one, bro. Oh, that shit was decent. Y'all stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, turn them notifications on, man. Don't forget that shit, man. And you already know, it's your boy, One Up Niche. What'd I say? We out this bitch, man. Gang, gang.